Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world cryptocurrency trading with a focus on how to trade on KuCoin. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just getting started, this guide will help you to navigate the platform like a pro. So let's get right into it. First things first, if you haven't already, head over the KuCoin and create your account. Make sure to complete the verification process or fund your account. You can deposit various cryptocurrencies or use flat options to get started. Once that's done, you are ready to trade. After log into, click on a spot trading. From the top menu, you will see the sleek interface with a chart in the center, an order book on the right, and your position panel below. Familiarize yourself and these sections. This is crucial for executing trades effectively. Now let's select the trading pair. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin, look for BTC or USDT in the trading pair selection tools. Click on it and load the relevant data and chart. If we have two main types of order, market orders and limited orders. Market order, this is the simplest way to buy and sell the current market price. Just enter the amount and USDT you want to spend and hit the buy BTC your order to fill at the best available price. Limited order, if you want to buy Bitcoin at a specific price, set the limit order. For instance, if you want to buy BTC when it dropped to $50,000, enter the price and amount you wish to purchase. Once you order and place, keep an eye on your position panel. Here you can track how you trade and performing and make adjustment as needed. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the basic trade on KuCoin. Remember to always do your research before making trade and consider using stop loss order to manage risk effectively. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumb and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy trading!